Back to the channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to fix Fitbit app freezing. Now the first thing you need to do, because when you're encountering frustrating issues with your Fitbit app like freezing, widescreen network connection problems, and syncing failures, these are the most common problems users face, and when you're facing these things can be kind of frustrating. So the best thing to do is to resolve them through troubleshooting measures. So I'm going to give you these troubleshooting measures. So the first thing you need to do is one, check for and install the app and device update. So for the Fitbit app, go to Google Play Store if you're using Android device, and App Store if you're using iOS device, search for Fitbit and then tap update if it's available. So app updates also contain critical bug fixes for performance and connectivity issues. Then the second step you can take is to make sure your Fitbit tracker or smartwatch has the latest firmware installed. This is usually done to the Fitbit app. Once you open the app, you tap on your profile icon, select the device that's connected. As you can see, I don't have any device here listed here because I have no device connected. But if you have a device connected also, it should be listed there. So once you see the device connected, select the device and look for an update banner or option. So don't forget to keep your device charged and in your phone during the update process. Next thing you can do is you can force stop it. So you can force stop it now. I prefer to just press down on it to get me quickly to the app info section, and then you can force stop the app at the bottom here. Now if you don't know how to get here, what you can do is on the device, go to settings, select apps, and then you see all the apps, and then select Fitbit, and at the bottom you see the option for force stop. It's as simple as that. For iOS device, if it has a home button, double press the home button and swipe up on the Fitbit app preview. For iPhones without the home button, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle, then swipe up on the Fitbit app preview. As simple as that. Now, after first stopping, if that doesn't work out, next thing you can do is restart your phone. A simple restart can help. So you just simply restart your phone if you like. Now, you can power off your phone here, tap at the top, power off, and click on restart. So you select restart, which is this option over here. Now, if that doesn't work out for you, you can also check your internet connection, because a stable internet connection is crucial for the app to sync data and load information. So ensure your phone is connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. Try opening a web page in a browser or using another app that requires internet to confirm your connection is working. If it's on Wi-Fi, try restarting your router. Next thing you can do is to make sure that your Bluetooth is connected. Bluetooth is very essential for your phone to communicate directly with your Fitbit device for syncing. So go to your phone Bluetooth settings and ensure Bluetooth is turned on. So you can just simply pull down, go to Bluetooth and make sure you turn it on. It's as simple as that. Now if it doesn't work, you can turn it on and off again. You can turn it on and off again to reset it. Now, if your Fitbit device is listed in your phone's paired Bluetooth device, try forgetting or unpairing it from your phone's Bluetooth settings so you can repair it through the Fitbit app later. You can also decide to restart your Fitbit device. Restarting your Fitbit device can help you solve issues on the device itself that may be preventing it from connecting or syncing with the app. The method varies by model, so consult your Fitbit manual for specific instructions. You can also decide to clear Fitbit app cache if you're using an Android device. The shortest method for me is just to press down on the app, tap on the eye icon at the top, and then you can see storage, tap on storage, and you can see cache, so you simply clear the cache here. You can also clear data if you like, but you reset, you have to sign in again. Now, if you don't have to get to this part, you can also do what? Click on settings, choose the apps option, and then you see all the apps. So click on Fitbit, tap on storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. It's as simple as that. So you can, if you also have multiple Bluetooth devices connected to your phone simultaneously, it can sometimes interfere with your Fitbit app's connection. So temporarily disconnect other Bluetooth devices like headphones, smartwatches other than Fitbit to see if this resolves the issue. Next thing you can do is to review the app permission. Ensure the Fitbit app has necessary permissions on your phone. So this is the permission. Make sure you have all necessary permission. Allow it to have access to your calendar, call log, camera, contact, file, media, location, microphone, nearby device, phone, sync. So give it permission for all this by tapping on each of them and clicking on allow. So once you've done that, next thing you can do is to check your time zone. because incorrect time zone settings on your phone or Fitbit device can cause syncing errors and data inconsistency. So ensure your phone's time zone is set correctly and that your Fitbit is set to sync with your phone's time. Then if your Fitbit device is showing as connected in the app but it's not syncing, unpairing and repairing can also refresh the connection. In the Fitbit app, tap your profile icon. Let me show you how that's done. So in the Fitbit app, you tap your profile icon at the top right corner here, and once you're there, you select your device. Like I said, the device will appear here if you actually have any device that is synced. I don't have any device that is synced, that's why. So you look for the option of remove device and unpair. So once you've removed it from the app and your phone's Bluetooth settings, go back to the Fitbit app and set up your device again as if it were new. Now you can also clear Fitbit app storage data, but this is caution because it's more aggressive step and it will erase all your app's local data, requiring you to log back in and set up your device. So the next thing you can do is uninstall and reinstall the Fitbit app. It's a fundamental troubleshooting step that replaces all the app's files and can fix persistent problems. Next, you can check Fitbit's compatibility device list. While it's unlikely to cause these issues, if it was working before, you can still confirm that your specific phone model and operating system version are still officially supported by the Fitbit app in 2025 by checking the Fitbit support website. Then, you can also visit the official Fitbit community forums like community.fitbit.com to see if other users are reporting similar issues like freezing, widescreen, or sync error. There might be widespread problems that Fitbit is addressing. If none of these steps work, then you can contact Fitbit's customer support. Be prepared to provide details about your phone model, operating system version, Fitbit device model, the specific error you are seeing, and troubleshooting steps before they are attempted. So by systematically following these steps, you can address most common issues causing the Fitbit app to freeze or to show a white screen or have network connection problems or fail to sync. Hope you found this video helpful.